So I just got done with visitation of the kids. I was not allowed to see my own children. They came in, they said hello and then bye and then left. They took the pizza that I bought for them. Grace was almost in tears. It was obvious she did want to see her dad. They were not allowed to see their dad. And now I'm here with Officer Kim. Sergeant Kim.
Thank you.
Sergeant Kim. I'm sorry, I don't know other.
No, I'm just correcting.
I'm here with Sergeant Kim, and he seems very nice and reasonable. I don't know why I'm here with Sergeant Kim. I'm sure we're going to find out shortly. But apparently, Mrs. Garcia not only will not allow me to see my own children, but is now actually involving the police in some way. I'm not sure why. I'm gonna hit.
I didn't say that, sir. So you're making an assumption, right?
What's that?
You're making an assumption because I didn't say that. I just asked you.
You were here
to talk to you.
But you're here to talk to me.
Right, but
nobody else even knows I'm here or why I'm here.
No, but the point is, I'm saying is I did not tell you that was your son. I don't want you to make claims without verification.
Okay, well, I'm gonna make the assumption that Mrs. Garcia has something to do with the fact that I'm here talking to an officer of the law right now, because literally I have no issue with anybody else anywhere on the planet. Not employers, not clients, not friends, not family. But I have been litigating with my ex-wife for 5 years, and she has denied me visitation with my children, despite every court order now, for the entire 5 years.
Okay.
Including today, where I was supposed to see the kids for an hour, and I saw them for about 5 minutes.
Okay, this is Officer Picador. He's gonna explain to you the reasons why we're talking to you.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm recording this
Yes,
for your rights.
Do you have a ID?
I don't carry my ID.
Okay. Do you have a name?
I don't want to give my name.
Okay.
I mean, I want to know what I'm being accused of, why I'm here. In fact, I want to ask if I'm free to go. Am I free to go? Am I being accused of a crime? Am I free to go?
Oh no, he's gonna read you the paperwork.
Okay.
Where are you from, sir?
I'm not answering any more questions until I
okay.
know what I've been accused of.
Okay.
I'm an extreme libertarian. I don't.
Like I said, I respect your views, sir.
Okay.
That's why I'm not giving you a hard time.
I get it. I'm not trying to be a jerk either, but
no.
I'm just.
I totally get it.
Okay.
And you have every right, so that's why I'm not getting upset or anything.
Yeah, I'm
totally
not. I'm not upset either. Oh.
Totally understand. Oh, you're right.
No, I'm good. Yeah.
Totally understand.
So I worked 4 jobs. I got off last night at 3 in the morning. One of my jobs called me at 7 this morning. And then I had a coffee, and I'm already a little bit jittery from the coffee, and now I'm here in this situation. So I'm extra jittery.
Bus and stuff everywhere? That's harsh, man.
I take a Uber or Lyft to this because last time I drove my own car to this, she vandalized my car. So, I mean, I believe it was her. Footage, didn't see it, but I mean, who else is it going to be? I literally have no problems with anybody anywhere in the world except for her. So. If I'm the right guy that you're even looking for. Since I don't even know what I'm being accused of.
Well, all we can do is ask because he does not believe in identification.
Correct, yeah.
So,
unless I'm being accused of a crime, I'm not going to divulge any information of any kind.
Is that his name? Yeah.
Am I free to go? I'm not answering any questions. I want to know what crime I'm being accused of.
Right, well, so before we can ask you and read you your paperwork, we need to verify you're the right person we're talking to. That's why we're asking you at least for your name.
I get that, but I don't have to divulge any information if I don't want to. I'd like to know if I'm free to go.
Well,
and if I'm not free to go, I'd like to know what I'm being accused of.
Right, so right now we're doing an active investigation, and you were identified as
an investigation for what reason?
If you let me, let me and my officer finish, then we can get to that point. Okay, so what's your name? Anyway, you have been named in a criminal complaint, which is why we're investigating you right now to see if there is enough elements and if there is enough probable cause for an arrest. And before we do that, we have to advise you of your rights, which is why we're talking to you right now. The reason why we're talking to you is because you are identified as being this person, but because you're saying that you're not going to present ID.
I'm not going to present
no,
ID.
no, I'm just trying to present our
Gotcha.
side. Okay?
Gotcha.
And because, so you're not going to present ID and you're not going to verify the name.
Yeah.
We're just going to base it off of what we're being told.
Okay.
And so right now you're not under arrest.
Okay.
As I hope I made that clear.
Okay.
We're just asking for your voluntary compliance while we try and conduct an investigation in which we have been tasked with by a complainant
And I don't.
who is not here.
And you cannot tell me who the complainant is.
No. We will. I'm just going through the stages of notifying you because you're saying you need to tell me, right? So that's why we're trying to tell you. And once again, I appreciate your voluntary compliance and working with us because once again, we are being tasked.
You've been very polite, and I
to
appreciate.
work on something.
You've been very polite, and I appreciate that as well.
Jacqueline Garcia. Okay, that's the wife that the name that you had mentioned. I guess she's making allegations that there is a violation of against the restraining order that was filed.
What is the violation?
Okay, well, so we'll get to that point. Okay, so I'm first notifying that's the reason why we're talking to you.
Okay.
Okay, so I guess your ex-wife, not currently married, is.
I'm not confirming that or denying it.
I'm just basing off what you told me, sir.
Okay.
So, like I said, we're trying to be as impartial as we can. We're not here to take anyone's side. Okay?
Gotcha. Yeah.
Like I said, we're just doing what we have to do because we are being tasked with this.
Okay.
So, Mrs. Garcia filed a complaint stating that she believed that there was a violation of a restraining order because of something that was posted. But before I can question you or further go down that road of telling you about it, you as a U.S. citizen, regardless of what affiliation you may have, do have some constitutional rights.
Right.
So what we are required to do whenever we question someone who may be a suspect in a legal proceeding is to read them their constitutional rights.
Okay.
Which is what we want to do. But it's very difficult for us to do that if you won't at least tell us that is your name so that we can actually have you.
I understand what you're saying.
Yeah.
I'm not going to present any information whatsoever.
No, okay.
I'm going to ask the same question again.
Mm-hmm.
Am I being accused of a crime?
Yes, I told you that.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is the crime I'm being accused of?
That there was a violation of the restraining order.
What was the violation of the restraining order?
Okay, for me to give you any elements of the crime, which would entail questioning,
Okay. I
would have to give you your constitutional rights. So at least we're on the same level with that of understanding on that. Okay. Hold on a second. Do you have anything?
Yeah.
I want to state for the record that I have done no crime to any party whatsoever. And I'm denying any and all allegations by any party against me. That is the only information that I'm going to give out. The other things that I will be saying are, am I being accused of a crime? What is a crime? Am I free to go? I'm going to hit pause on the recording. Let's hope we can get back into it. I need to go to work.
Okay, Mr. Thornton.
Yeah.
We looked at our reports. There's pictures of you. So we're gonna just make the assumption that this is you because that's you on your YouTube page. Okay. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna read your constitutional rights.
Yeah.
Okay. My officer is gonna read it to you, and you will have choices on how you want to answer it. So he'll explain that to you. Okay. So I'm just letting you know based on what we have in our computer system and based on your YouTube channel.
Okay.
You're right. Thornton. I'm sorry, what's that? Thornton. So he's just
neither
because
confirming or denying that.
but because we are required to read you your constitutional rights in regards to a criminal case, that's what he's going to do. Okay?
Criminal case.
Okay.
Okay, so what is this criminal case?
Well, once
TRO
again,
violation.
Well, what is the TRO violation?
once again, we have to read this to you first. That's just the way it is. Okay?
Okay, sir. Right, Thornton. You know you're in the presence of myself, Officer Picadura. We're at 1342 North School Street. That's where we are. You're just saying you're in the presence of.
I'm not confirming anything.
Yeah, you're gonna initial anything?
No, I'm not gonna sign anything.
Okay, so I'm going to ask you questions about a TRO violation, which occurred on 7/20/21. First, I want to inform you of certain rights you have under the Constitution. Again, TRO violation. That's
Okay.
all we're going to get right now.
I'm curious.
Before I ask you any questions, you must understand your rights. You have a right to remain silent. You don't have to say anything to me or answer any of my questions. Anything you say may be used against you at your trial.
My question
you have
to
the
you
right
is
to have
what-
an attorney present while I talk to you. If you cannot afford an attorney, the court will appoint one for you prior to any questioning. If you decide to answer my questions without an attorney being present, you still have the right to stop answering at any time.
My question is, what is today's date?
22nd.
22nd. And you're saying that there was a TRO violation on the 20th? So 2 days ago? And okay.
Okay. And do you understand what I have told you?
I'm not answering any questions.
You want an attorney now?
I'm not answering any
Would you
questions.
like to tell me what happened?
I'm not answering any
Okay,
questions.
that's all you need to say, man.
Okay. Am I free to go?
Hey, is he good? He's refusing everything. Yep.
Yep. Hey, Mr. Thornton, you, like I said, we're trying to be as impartial and follow the law as much as we can. Thank you for cooperating. Like I said, you're free to go. Okay?
Thank you.
Hey.
Just for the record, I'm just going to tell you on a personal level.
Yep. Okay, wait. Stop, sir. See you
Yeah.
safe. I'm gonna be fair and shut this off.
Okay.
Shut that off.
Yeah, I'll shut it off.